Alright, so today we're going to learn how to make an over easy egg in the microwave. We're going to take a little bit of oil, put it on the plate, just a little bit. Alright, now we're going to crack 2 eggs. Now, we got our 2 eggs on the plate. We're going to add some black pepper. I'm going to add some salt. Go. Next, we're going to put another plate on top of this one to cover it. So you want to cover it like this, and then we're going to stick it in the microwave. Then we're going to come over here and press time cook, 50 seconds. Start. It's going. I'll show you the finished product once it's done. And then voila, you got your 2 over easy eggs with some garlic toast for breakfast. That's simple.